This is all for this exercise. It was quite extensive because I was trying to explain you why you need to set certain parts and how the configuration are relating to each other. I always recommend to start with the simple project, with the simple SPI, and then to switch into the dual data rate or the octo SPI a little bit later, because also the simple SPI, it can be also easier to debug. You can put it on the scope, you can check the signals if you are sending what you wanted, or to cross check if you're receiving what you are expecting or what you see in the software. What we learned, I explain you the external memory manager API, where to find it, where to locate your custom driver, and as a result we created our own driver which was able to program erase the memory, and we use it the same driver for the bootloader and also for the application. So this is all from this exercise.